WhatsApp Business Broadcast Problem Fix. Business message not sending. WhatsApp broadcast error. Is your broadcast message not sending in WhatsApp Business? Here are the quick fixes. Step 1. Check saved contacts. Broadcast messages only work if the receiver has saved your number. Ask customers to save your contact first. Step 2. Check broadcast limit. Open the broadcast list and make sure you haven't exceeded the contact limit or selected invalid numbers. Step 3. Check internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try sending the message again. Step 4. Update the app. Go to the Play Store or App Store and update WhatsApp to the latest version. Step 5. Clear app cache for Android. Go to Settings, then Apps, then WhatsApp Business, then Storage, then Clear Cache, then reopen the app. Step 6. Check if account is restricted. If you are sending too many promotional messages, WhatsApp may temporarily limit broadcast features, reduce spam-like messages. After these steps, your broadcast messages should start sending normally. If you want, I can give you common WhatsApp business mistakes that cause accounts to get temporarily blocked.